Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope you all are fine and spending your days and enjoying your days with the great and beautiful health and with the mercies of Allah Almighty. And so today my video is about some design and new collection of heels and some really beautiful and different footwear heels footwear collection. And as you see on the screen, this heel looks really nice, beautiful transparent kind of thing. And as you see, this golden color heel with a really beautiful kind of thing that looks really nice, and beautiful gold color that looks really amazing, and a really new kind of designs you'll see in this video. And you can get some ideas about the heels and like the new trends and the new collection of heels, and in really beautiful colors. And these are the really basic silver color heel and that look really decent and really beautiful kind of heels. And as you see, this one is also really nice and really beautiful and nice kind of heels. And do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the red bell icon on the side and like this video, comment on this video. And so today's video is going to be end. I will see you next video. Bye bye.